Like my plant, just chilling there, my little planty plant. Hello, internet friends. My name is Maddie. Welcome to my channel. Or if you're one of my 136 subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Shouts out to you guys. Thanks for subscribing. If you want to subscribe, you can do it just down below. YouTubing is hard. So a few weeks ago, we, meaning my BF Steven and some of our friends, we booked a Disney Christmas cruise. Woo! Very excited. I've been on one cruise with Disney before, and it was only 3 nights, and we actually didn't get to go to their private island because there was a tropical storm there. So that was unfortunate, but glad we didn't go to where there was a tropical storm. I'm very excited, and me being the way that I am, I immediately started obsessing about what I'm gonna wear on the cruise. So I went to Pinterest to find some pinspiration. That's Pinterest and inspiration together. And I found a plethora of cute casual cruise outfits, and I thought I would try and recreate them. It's an added challenge because on Pinterest, nothing is linked to the original source. It's a fun time. I'm gonna show you 4 outfits. The first 2 are pretty casual. They're something I would wear like when we're just out and about, maybe at one of the ports of call. The third one is a little dressier. It's something I would wear to like dinner, but not too super dressy dinner. And then the last one is more of a costume. Disney does one night of pirate night. So I wanted a pirate costume too, and I obviously found tons of inspiration on Pinterest, so that'll be the last one. Okay, let's do it. Wow, that was a cool transition. So inspiration for outfit number 1 comes from this cute travel photo. Now, the thing about Pinterest is it is extremely difficult and sometimes impossible to find the original source of the pin. So I don't know who this girl is or if this photo comes from a travel blog or Instagram account. See, when I try and click on the image, it takes me to some sketchy website. Yeah, let's not go there. Let's try to search Google for image. Yeah, as you can see, all that comes up are more Pinterest boards with this image pinned to the board. See, I would like to find the original source to see if any of the products in the photo were linked. You know, maybe I could find this exact shirt or hair scarf. But alas, I cannot find it, so I'm gonna have to make do on my own. So this is what I came up with for outfit number 1. The top is from Amazon. Y'all know I love me some Amazon Prime shopping. And it was $16.99. The shorts are actually thrifted. I thrift all of my high-waisted cutoff shorts. I find it's the best way to find shorts that actually fit me right, and then I can cut them how I want. So leave a comment down below if you'd like to see a tutorial of how I thrift and make my high-waisted shorts. The sunglasses were $15 from Target. They're not an exact dupe of the Ray-Bans that the model is wearing in the picture, but I thought they were close enough. The necklace I found at American Eagle. I actually found it in my mall haul video. And the hair scarf was my grandmother's. I tried to do my hair exactly like the model in the picture, but this half up, half down bun thing looked a little funny on me. So I just took all my hair down and adjusted the scarf, and I think that suited me better. Overall, I don't love this outfit. I don't usually pair a tight top with a tight bottom. I would prefer to wear a more loose, flowy top with these shorts. And I didn't love how this top clung to every single roll I have on my body. Like, it's totally natural to have body rolls, but this top made it look extra unflattering. I think this is a classic case of it looks cute on Pinterest because the model is skinny and tan and blonde, and it's not actually the cutest in real life. Moving on to outfit number 2, I'm sticking with the casual theme. Just like outfit number 1, I think this outfit could be worn on a day at port, maybe wandering around Key West or Nassau. But again, we run into the problem of if I click on the image on Pinterest, it takes me to a sketchy website. And if I search the image on Google, it just takes me to more Pinterest boards. I think certain images become so popular on Pinterest, they just circulate so many times that you lose the original source. So I had to search on my own to recreate this look, and I think I did pretty good. I found a near identical tank top for $20 from Red Dress Boutique. It was sold out in all sizes except large, so I had to buy it in a large, and although a medium probably would have fit better, I think the large still works. And you can always tie it up, that's very on trend right now. I like this top so much better than the top from the first outfit. The looseness of this tank top balances out the tight structure of the shorts. But in our original Pinterest picture, the girl is wearing some looser fitting shorts with a raw hem, so I switched to another pair of my thrifted high-waisted shorts to match. Honestly, I think this tank still looks cute with both pairs of shorts. The cardigan is a $25 Target cardigan, and although it's not a perfect match, I think this outfit is a pretty close replicate of the Pinterest outfit. I'll definitely be wearing this outfit on the cruise. Alright, so inspiration for outfit number 3 comes from this image. I figured this would be a good dinner outfit. It's still casual, but it's a little more dressed up than my cutoff jean shorts. Now, I immediately recognized this as a product photo from a clothing brand called Showpo. They style a lot of their photos with this giant mirror. But let's see if Pinterest will lead me to their website. Okay, if you click on the image, it doesn't block the website. However, it does take me to this semi-sketchy clothing website that, oh, look at that. Yeah, that literally uses Showpo's product image. If you search Google for this image, it directs me to a clothing website called Sunlify? Yeah, not gonna click on that. Or it just takes you to more Pinterest boards. What a shocker. Now, I found this image by clicking around on Showpo's website. This mauve color is actually out of stock, so maybe that's why it doesn't show up on Google searches. So it looks like this photo was originally posted on their Instagram back in April. LOL, no wonder this color is sold out. So let's try and find this photo on their Instagram. Oh man, I'm gonna be scrolling for a while. Okay, many moons later, I have found it. So, the image I found on Pinterest originally came from Showpo's Instagram account from 30 weeks ago. See, I would never have found this exact outfit just from Pinterest links. I only found it because I recognized Showpo's photo styling. Nevertheless, I was able to buy this exact outfit. I just had to get the shorts in the color blush check instead of mauve. So the bodysuit was $38.95, and that's pretty pricey, but it did fit well, and I really liked how it looked. However, I can't say the same for the shorts. I followed their size guide and purchased a large, but as you can see, they're just a little too baggy, especially at my hips where they have this extra side fabric that just sticks out. Real cute. I think they fit nicely in the crotch region, but they're just too big everywhere else, which makes them look really too large on my body. These shorts were $42.95, which is pretty expensive for some soft fabric shorts. But I will say they are very high quality. I wish I could just exchange them for a smaller size, maybe a different color, but because Showpo is an Australian company and I live in America, it would take $5 to send these back and $5 to get a new pair shipped to me. And I would have to pay $9 for return shipping. Actually, Showpo's return policy is pretty frustrating. They only offer you store credit, and that store credit is only good for 12 months. Yeah, so much for easy returns. Overall, I'd say the bodysuit is a hit that I will be wearing on the cruise, but the shorts are a big miss. So when you scroll down on Pinterest, it shows you other images that are visually similar, and this one piqued my interest. I immediately thought, oh, I can recreate that with Amazon Prime clothes. So here it is, outfit number 3.5. These blue striped shorts were $11.99, and they are definitely $11.99 quality, meaning the fabric is pretty sheer. Besides that, they fit so well and are so cute. The tube top I'm wearing is $12.99, and it is just okay. I didn't want like the crocheted tube top. I find that they're all too cropped, and I wanted one long enough to tuck into my shorts. So this tube top is definitely more of like an underwear piece and not a true cute top. But when I paired these striped shorts with the Shopo bodysuit, I mean, come on. This is super cute. I will definitely be wearing this on the cruise. I also bought these shorts in the multicolor color and paired them with the off-the-shoulder top from outfit 1.
Oh, Shy.
Hi. These shorts were from the same seller, but they were only $6.99, and the quality definitely reflects the dip in price. They do have a zipper and a hook, which the other ones did not, but there are tons of frayed threads. It's just as see-through, and I had to roll these up twice for them to look right. I think I will keep these shorts, but I'm not sure if I'll actually pack them for the cruise. So, the fourth and final outfit. It's not an exact clone of a Pinterest outfit. It's more just inspired by Pinterest images because it is more so a costume. As I said before, Disney Cruise does do a pirate night, so I had to have a pirate look. I got this white off-the-shoulder top for $12.80 from Boohoo. The shorts are, you guessed it, thrifted and cut by yours truly. And the red bandana I'm wearing is from Walmart, but they do give you a red Disney pirate themed bandana on the cruise. So I'll probably substitute that one for this Walmart one. Now, this is a cute pirate look on its own, but I wanted to take it to the next level. So I ordered this corset from Amazon for $8.99, and I think it elevated my pirate game. Pretty cute pirate look. I even tried not tucking the top into my shorts and having it like stick out from under the corset, but the elastic on the bottom just makes it look kind of funky. But I think with my added hoop earrings and my big curly hair, I think this is a Pinterest hit. I'm gonna go with a Pinterest win for this one.
So I had a few hits and a few misses in recreating Pinterest outfits. I think Pinterest is a great place for inspiration. I think the outfits that turned out the best were ones where I took the basis of the outfit and then kind of made it my own. If you're trying to exactly duplicate the outfits, it's not going to work out as well. So if you kind of take that as your starting point and roll with what works for you, then maybe you'll come out with some cute casual cruise outfits. Anyways, I realize I say anyways a lot in my videos. You can drink every time I say anyways. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs up. Why not? Just do it. Who cares? Leave a comment down below which outfit was your favorite. And if you want, you can subscribe and maybe I'll make another video. Okay, bye. Shy, you want to say goodbye? Shy, look. Yeah, look. Say bye, YouTube.